I think for all of us as readers, there is this one book from where it started. The point where we realize that reading is just not a hobby for us, it is something beyond. Today is episode 4 of me learning to talk about books. पहले ना जब मैं इस किताब को इंटरनेट पे देखती थी, I used to wonder कि क्या ही होगा इस किताब में. Maybe it is overhyped. Why is everybody talking about this book? So I was not picking this book up for the longest time possible. But finally, when I read this book, I was all sobbing, I was crying, but still I was happy, I was hopeful. I had all the emotions that I cannot even put to words. This book taught me what it takes to be generous, what it takes to be kind, what it takes to be giving, what it takes to be devoted, what it takes to be a woman, basically. It revolves around the life of two women जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप्स की हैं, बट स्टिल देर इज दिस कॉमन पॉइंट जहाँ पे वो कोइंसाइड करती हैं. आई वुड नॉट स्पॉइल, लाइक आई सेड, आई डू नॉट वांट टू स्पॉइल बुक्स फॉर यू. इफ यू हैव ऑल्सो सीन दिस बुक एंड यू आर नॉट गिविंग इट अ चांस, जस्ट थिंकिंग कि ओवर हाइप्ड होगी, मे बी बहुत ज्यादा बात होती है इस पे, मे बी दिस इज नॉट वर्थ अ चांस, देन प्लीज यू आर मिसिंग ऑन अ ब्यूटिफुल पीस ऑफ लिटरेचर. प्लीज डू नॉट डू दिस टू योर सेल्फ. हम ना ऑलमोस्ट सारी चीजों को फॉर ग्रांटेड लेते हैं. दिस इंडिपेंडेंट हवा, हम आराम से अपने खा पा रहे हैं जो भी हमें खाना है, हमको जो भी कुछ करना है, वी टेक ऑल एवरीथिंग फॉर ग्रांटेड. बट दिस बुक टॉट मी that there is so much in life to be grateful for. The air that we breathe in, the food that we eat, the supporting parents that we have, the supporting family that we have, everything is worth being grateful for. If you read this book, you will cry, you will feel happy, you will feel hopeful by the end, but you would be utterly devastated. The book that I'm talking about, if you haven't guessed by now, is A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khalid Hosseini. There is something about sad books. Sadness makes you want to thank life more. You want to be grateful about every person that you meet. You want to be thankful for the life that you have. This can be experienced best by reading sad books, and that is why this genre is my favorite genre. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another recommendation. Thank you so much for all the love.